wanted to talk to you very quickly about emails at work, a contentious issue for a lot of people. Had a customer in recently, they were talking to us about a big concern they had where one of their managers was monitoring employees' emails. In fact, this manager was reading every employee's email ever sent. Weird. Who has that much time? If you're a manager and you have that much time, I think we've got a bigger problem than reading emails. But nonetheless, it did bring up an interesting question, and that is that a breach of privacy? We're not a lawyer, we're not lawyers, we're not a legal firm. I ask you to speak to your legal counsel about that, but here's a perspective. Let's face it, in today's world, there's so many phishing schemes and crazy emails that are coming in all the time. Employees are vulnerable to click the wrong thing and put your entire system at your place of employment or your business at risk. And so it makes sense that employers would want to put in place monitoring systems. There's a lot of great automated tools out there that would flag certain things like weird activity or whatnot that could potentially suggest something bad's going on. So I think, employees have the right, or organizations have the right to monitor those emails. So here's a couple quick tips for you. Number one, and this is just the golden rule, folks, don't put something in an email that you wouldn't say to somebody to their face. That's just good business practice. Number two, if you found out that the email you sent to somebody was read by somebody else and that's an embarrassing revelation for you, you probably shouldn't send that email. And then the third thing, and this one's really, really contentious, but it's a simple one to fix. Don't use your business, your work's email for personal business. Use your own personal email accounts. It's easy to do. Google, Gmail, they're all web-based email systems. Use those. Don't use those at work, or else you could put yourself in jeopardy, or they find out something that you really don't think is any of their business. Keep that on a personal email server. So let's just get a little bit smarter about email at work, and everybody's going to get along just fine.